Hey everyone, in this tutorial we'll see how to turn off Safe Search on any iPhone using two simple methods. Method 1 requires your screen time passcode. Open Settings, then go to Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if this option isn't enabled on your device, you can skip to Method 2. If it's enabled, tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games, then select Web Content. Here, just choose Unrestricted Access. Alternatively, you can go back and completely disable the Content and Privacy Restrictions toggle to turn off all parental controls. Method 2 is even simpler. Open Safari and navigate to your search engine, Google, Bing, or whichever you prefer. Tap the profile icon in the upper right corner, look for Safe Search or Search Settings, tap on it and select Off or Turn Off Safe Search. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Safe Search on your iPhone. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Null Tech for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching.